Hi, there are two ways how you can change color in clock on the Samsung Galaxy S25. First one is with the help of settings. So open settings. Here find wallpaper and style and then tap on your lock screen. And right now you should tap on time like that. And on the bottom of the display you will see some color options. So we can change it to red color, or we can make it rainbow like this, or different type of rainbow like that. Or you can tap this palette and manually find and set preferred color, change its intensity, go in spectrum and then tap done. And then you can also change style and resize it. And after that tap done to save changes. Another way how you can change it is by editing your lock screen directly. So press and hold your current lock screen, unlock the phone, tap on time, and as we did before, choose any color on the bottom of the display. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.